guys, it's Kay here and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for like 3 years. No, I'm just playing. It's been about a month and I feel so bad because I look ratchet right now. But I know like my goal was to be consistent with YouTube this year, and I started off real good and then I just fell back off and I haven't posted in a month. But it's not gonna happen again. Like, I'm about to come back to back with videos for y'all, because one excuse I have is because my channel was kind of going through things with YouTube, and yeah, I don't even want to get into that. But even when I wasn't going through like the little monetization issue, I was still posting. But that got solved, so everything is back straight, everything back on track. So getting into the video, as you guys can tell from the title, I'm gonna show you guys how I style my frontal wigs and how I lay my baby hair, you know, get that thing on fleek or whatever, because I'm tired of seeing girls trying to do their baby hair and that junk is going all the way down to their eyebrow. It don't go like that, it go like this. I'm about to show y'all, so keep watching, stay tuned. Okay, so before anyone starts to ask, my shirt is from Fashion Nova. I'm not sure if they still sell it because they always sell a lot of stuff, and I'm trying to determine if I want this to be a talk through, because I never done a talk through before, because talk throughs are kind of long. Or do I want this to be a voiceover? We're gonna find out when we get into the middle of the video. No, this is gonna be a talk through. So you guys, first thing you gonna do is take y'all scarf off. And so, as y'all can tell, I did my frontal today. It's pretty melted. I don't use the cap method on myself because I know how to remove glue from my hair, and I know how to take care of my hair. Like, adhesive has never taken my edges off, so I never really like worried about that. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm sorry y'all, if the ring light starts shaking, it's because I got the hot comb hanging off there. Because baby, I gotta make some stuff work, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to part off my hair. So it's gonna go like this. But if you guys want to see how I actually lay my frontals and how I install a frontal, be sure to, what do I want y'all to do? I want y'all to get this video. I just want y'all to like this video, and if I get 200 likes on this video, I'm gonna show you. Mad that it look kind of washed out, but I mean, it is a frontal, it's not my real hair. But yeah, and I'm happy the front got flat from it being tied down most of the day. So what you're gonna do, this is what comes into play, because a lot of people use a curling wand to flatten their parts and stuff. No baby, you need to invest in a hot comb so you can get that thing laid for real. I just feel like the curling wand isn't gonna do its job like how the hot comb would. And I'm gonna show you guys how to get a defined part too. Okay, I might as well do a defined part because I'm finna do the extra. Go the extra mile and show y'all how to do this. But I feel like I should tell y'all where I've been. I haven't been nowhere. No, but I started doing installs, you guys. So if you're in Georgia, you know you want your hair laid and slayed by me, you know, hit me up. Follow me on Instagram at Craig K, and follow my hair page, Craig K Collection. And yeah, you can book your appointments on my hair page with the link in my bio. And then we'll go from there. I've been doing that. So we're gonna move on to the baby hair. This is what we're gonna do. Since I made my part, it's kind of gonna be easier for me to see where I kind of want my baby hair to fall at. Oh, by the way, y'all, so I just used the new glue. Usually I use Ghost Bond, but I got the bow hold tape glue, and that's what this is currently being laid with. See how long it lasts, like, on me? Cause I don't know, I don't have issues with Ghost Bond, like how some people say they do. But I mean, my Ghost Bond can last up to 2 weeks. Like, not my Ghost Bond, but my frontals with using Ghost Bond can last up to 2 weeks. So I don't know. I'm gonna cut my baby hairs with this razor, which is a method that I just caught on to. It's way better than using scissors. What I lay my baby hairs with is either the Pump It Up spritz or the Black Got To Be gel. And if you use either one of these, baby, your hair is going to be laid for a few days and it's not gonna move. So if you plan on changing up your baby hair, good luck, because it's not gonna happen. You can either use like an edge brush or a toothbrush. This and the toothbrush is the same thing. I got this just so, I don't know, it was like $1. So I got that from the beauty supply. And I just currently started using spoolies for my baby hairs, and I love it, y'all. Like, I love using this. And then just feather it into them. Just a feather, little feather. Feather into the hair. Like that. There go the baby hair. And then I'm about to style the rest of my hair, which isn't going to take long because all I'm gonna do is spray water on my hair to define the curls. But I'm definitely going to leave my hair big. Hold on, y'all, I'm gonna go back in with the hot comb. Basically, you guys, this is the end of the video. This is how I style my hair. Very simple, very easy when you have curly hair. And this is how I lay my edges, which very simple and cute and not doing too much, not to me anyway. But make sure you guys comment, rate, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. And make sure you guys like this video if you guys want to see how I install my frontal wigs. And also comment what you guys want to see next on my channel. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later.